Casey Gray here from The Conscious Builder. If you are thinking about starting a major project, whether that's a custom home or a major renovation or addition, you're probably watching the prices and seeing what's going on in the industry and wondering when you should start your project. That is what we're going to talk about today. As a contractor, we are obviously seeing everything that's going on, but not only on the supply chain side, but also on the sub-trade side and managing things like trusses. Trusses, for example, has been a big issue. We called over 10 truss manufacturers for a project recently, and nobody had the ability to put us in for a project this year. We were able to squeeze one in because another project got delayed, but that is what we're dealing with. So if you're thinking about doing it, my advice is start now. I'm not saying start construction now, I'm saying start your planning now. Because what is happening is people are starting to delay their projects. They want to do these projects, they're delaying them, and now there's going to be a bigger backlog next year as well. So if you really want to make this project come to reality, you need to start your planning now so that you can do your project next year. If next year comes and you expect to do your project next year, I guarantee you it's not going to happen. You're definitely not going to find a good contractor to do it, and you're going to be delayed another year. When will prices come down? I have no idea, right? We're all guessing. There's all sorts of theories out there, but in either case, my guess would be that they will start coming down next year. By the time you go to start building next year, they will come down. Another question I'm getting is, oh, well, should I go to concrete, like do an ICF home instead of a wood frame construction home? My answer to that, which I just received today as we were on another project call, is it would make sense if we were starting construction today to explore the ICF route. We're not building today though. We're building this house next year. So now we're trying to guess on what's going to be cheaper next year, wood framing or ICF and concrete and foam. At the end of the day, if things go back to the normal rates where they're supposed to be or where they should have increased to after a year or so, chances are wood framing is going to be cheaper where we are living right now. But these are things that you'll have to navigate with wherever you live, and you need to decide what you want to do for your project. But it's more important than ever to make decisions, stick to them, and continue moving forward. So once again, if you're thinking about doing a project and you want to start that major project next year, you need to start planning right now. Hire your team, get your team on board, start the integrated design process so that you can bring your dream to reality. Glad you watched this video until the end. If you haven't already, hit the bell button, hit subscribe so that you get all the notifications for all of our videos coming out. And also, if you're a contractor, head to consciousbuilderacademy.com. We have a free course there for you called The 5 Things I Wish I Knew Before I Started My Business.